Oke, ya, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the fifth semester and welcome to the material. It's called Contrastive, Linguistic, and Error Analysis. We call this in short CLEA. Okay, so in the fifth semester, we are going to talk about the syllabus first. Okay, and first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nico Harared, and you can call me with my first name. And I teach linguistics. Yeah, my concentration is about linguistics. And yeah, for your information, that we are going to run down about our semester for from the first meeting. We're going to talk about RPS or syllabus, and until uh, we have mid test, yeah, we are going to talk about mid test also, and in the final one, so we are going to have a final examination. Okay, now yeah, for your information, so what is it? Contrastive linguistic and error analysis. uh, Okay, let me make it simple that contrastive linguistics. So we talk about what kind of similarities and also what makes them different. Yeah, similarities and also the differences between two languages. Okay, so we are going to make a head-to-head. Yeah, we are going to talk about one language with other languages. So what makes them different? What makes them similar? Yeah, we have to know about that one. And also for after mid-test, so we are going to talk about error analysis. Yeah, in error analysis, you're going to talk about how to the differences between error, mistake, and also lapses. Yeah, and also you're going to talk about it's just like this. Okay, but to make it what is it? Order, I'm going to talk about in the first meeting, of course. So we are going to talk about this one. Yeah. So what you are going to get from this material. Okay, so what about the teaching method? So we are going to, I'm going to give, it's just like Zoom meeting, or it's just like link YouTube or something. And so we can discuss as well. And also Q&A session. Now, of course, for the first meeting, so we are going to talk about this. And now for the second one, yeah, for the second meeting, so you are going to talk, you are going to be able to find out about what is it contrastive definition of CLEA itself, and also explanation about contrastive linguistic and error analysis in the global view. Yeah, and then also to make it short, okay, there is a history as well, but I just want to make sure that if we talk about contrastive linguistic, so we can focus on contrasting between Indonesian language and also English language in phonological system, yeah, such as phonetic system, such as vowels, yeah, and also diphthongs. And I believe that and all of you already know about vowels and also diphthong, because the previous material, so you learned about English linguistics, right? Okay. And for the following section, so we are going to contrasting between one language with other languages, such as Indonesian and English, in phonological systems. Yeah, for instance, about consonant. Yeah, after we know about vowels and diphthongs, so we talk about the consonant. Now, for the following one, yeah, for the following one, so we focus on contrasting linguistic between Indonesia and also English and grammatical system. Okay, grammatical system. And last but not least, a week before mid-task. So we are going to talk about contrasting between Indonesian and English language in lexis and morphological system. This is what we are going to talk about for the first meeting before mid-test. Yeah, it means that from the first week until 7 weeks. So we are going to talk about contrasting linguistic. Okay, we can contrast one language with other languages. Yeah, so just in this case, so we just talk about Indonesian language and also English language. Okay, now and afterwards, so you are going to prepare about your mid test. Okay, and also we have after mid test. After mid test, we talk about error analysis. So as I was just mentioned before that, so CLEA, yeah, so this is CLEA. CLEA, it means contrastive linguistics and error analysis. It means there are two points that we are going to talk about: contrastive linguistics and also error analysis. Now, for the post mid test, so we are going to talk about error. Okay, so we are going in this session. So students must be able to give definition about, so what is it error, what is it lapses, and what is it mistakes. Okay, so definition of error, differences between error and mistakes, and also lapses. So this is your competence or your goal in this session. And then for the following one, we have students would be able to explain about global error and also local error. Yeah, some sources of error such as in a global and also local error. It's just like that. And the following one, so you would be able to explain about interlingual error. Yeah, interlingual error and also intralingual error. Yeah, so what kind of sources of error itself for interlingual and also intralingual itself. Now, for the following session, so we are going to talk about omission. Yeah, this is this is error classification. Yeah, omission, addition, misinformation, and also misordering. So this is what you are going to talk about in the following session. And then you are going to talk about, some steps in doing error analysis, such as recognition, reconstruction, and also explanation. And the second meeting last one, so we are going to talk about, this one, some example of error. So we are going to make trial, how can you identify the error of one text. Okay, just like case study. And also still in the last one. Yeah, and afterwards, so you are going to prepare about your final examination. Now, so this is about material for syllabus. Yeah, from the first week until at the end of the semester. So we are going to talk about this. Yeah, if there is a question, you may comment or say something in the comment. Okay, now so maybe you ask me about, so what about the references that we are going to talk about. Okay, don't forget, sorry, don't be, what is it, just relax that I'm going to share PowerPoint. Yeah, PowerPoint that comes from the coordinator, Eva Nurul Chandra NPD. Okay, now and also I would like to give you explanation that in this pandemic, in this blended learning, so Well, the question is, can I, maybe you asked me about how can I find out, figure out your points. Yeah. So there must be evaluation. Yeah. Evaluation is uh, just like quiz, and also your activeness. Yeah. If you just be active. Okay. In this class, just be active. Do not be ashamed. Do not be silent. Yeah. Uh, Come on, you can say something. Yeah, when you say something, I know you. Yeah. Okay, so that is the point. Okay, and also, what else? Maybe you ask me about the grade system. Okay, I would like to show you about. Yeah, I would like to show you about this one. Okay, take a look at your Sika. Yeah, we're going to talk about Sika. Where is Sika? Okay, this one. Yeah, nah, take a look about this one. So, for your information, okay, nah, okay, take a look at this one. Yeah, nah. So there must be assignment, mid test, and also final test. Yeah, 50% for final test, 30% for mid test, and 20% for assignment. But the question is, uh, if you ask me about the assignment, I think assignment is, I just want to give you maybe one or two, but it is not necessary, okay? I just want to give you a clue that uh, assignments point, so you're going to get it from quiz, or maybe you can get it from your activeness. Yeah, just be active in my class. Okay, and also just like this is very simple for me to click. Yeah, to give you points. Yeah, that relate to our material. Now, uh, yeah. So maybe you ask me about what about the attendance? Okay, okay. If we talk about attendance, uh, I don't care about the attendance. Okay, yeah. If you have a time, you may come in. Okay, if you have no time, no problem. Okay, at least I do my job, and also you get your what is it? You get something that you need. Okay, I will give you about the knowledge itself, and because this is my job to share, to explain, to describe about the material. And okay, if you have no time, maybe about you have no signal, you have no internet access, yeah, no problem. Yeah, even yeah, just a few students here I would be able to teach. I'm very happy because what? Because uh, in front of me, it's not childhood anymore. It's not children. Yeah, in front of me is a major students. Yeah, it's just like college students. So it means that you are already mature. Yeah, I'm not going to say, okay, students. So we are going to have a session. So please come in. No, yeah. But if you cannot attend, no problem. Yeah, it means you can have 3 time for absent maybe, or maybe 4 absence. No problem with me, but not more than 4. Okay, try to appreciate. Yeah, try to appreciate. Try to respect. Yeah, when I have a time, I give you material. So it means that I appreciate you. So when you come into my class, it means that you appreciate me. So we appreciate each other. It's just like that. Okay. Now, I think for the first meeting, I just want to give you a global perspective about contrastive, linguistic, and error analysis. And unfortunately for this session, I just want to give you about this video first. And don't forget, maybe next week, so we are going to have Zoom meetings just like this. Okay. Nah, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention and class dismissed, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.